do you mean that?
He took my tour flag. He just... Tour group, do not follow the flag. Eric, Joe, Eric, where is my tour flag?
It flew the coop.
Eric, I have to have that. I'm a tour guide. My tour group isn't going to follow me.
Listen, I don't even know what to say. Oh, Jay, hey!
No! Put that down! Put it down! Oh yeah, let's applaud that.
Let's see what's showing up today. You ready? How about you show off your screen? Here we go, your screen. Here we go! Keep going. Keep going. One more. There we go. Pretty loud, right? Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Yeah, it's obnoxious in your home, but screaming is beneficial in the wild. Parrots scream to warn flock mates to predators. Things like hawks and owls and eagles and snakes. And lions and tigers and bears. Oh my, oh my. It must be because of predators, right? That is why there are so many species out there going extinct. No? Wait a second, I don't think you heard me. Pogo, I was saying it's because of predators. That's why there's so many species going extinct. Okay, smart guy. If it's not predators, who is it? Who? Wait a second. Are you saying it's me? No. I think I get it though. I think I get it. You mean humans. Yes, that makes sense, right? Must be some of the problems humans can cause. Things like pollution. What is this?
I don't know, but I used to do that in the 70s too.
I'm sure you did. No, pollution, problems humans cause. Pollution, are you okay? Okay, listen. This is important. Pogo, 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 look. Look. Will you listen to me? I think we're getting somewhere, people. Pogo, I know. Listen. It's pretty tricky, right? It's very tricky. That's just a flick of my right arm. We'll try that one. Good. If I take my right arm and I toss it out to the side, I get this.
What is that?
I have no idea. But he really likes doing it. Okay, and we're going to end with some verbal cues. He likes to do these too. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Look. Okay. He's making up his own routine. Let's start over.